same as the previous presenter, Education 4.0, under the challenges and opportunity in education sector, COVID-19 towards the vision 2030. Actually, my name is Dr. Nitin Nagar. I'm Senior Assistant Professor and Faculty in Charge Placement, MC and MTech in International Institute of Professional Studies, Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya is a state government university and accredited with A+ grade by NAEC. So basically, most of the things Professor Raghuveer also told about the evolution of that 4.0, evolution of 4.0. We discussed a lot in the concept of education 4.0. Very deeply, they discuss about the evolution of 4.0. But my topic, my agenda of this particular agenda of this particular presentation is education 4.0 with industry 4.0. The role of education 4.0 with industry 4.0. What are the different features of education 4.0? What are the states which take DAV during this pandemic? Impact of education 4.0 during COVID-19, the placement, and the envisioning 2030 education 4.0, and that at the last conclusion. Basically, education 4.0 is a paradigm that intends to address the needs and potentials of fourth industrial revolution 4.0, also known as IR 4.0. Education 4.0 is desired approach to learning that aligns itself with the emerging IR 4.0. This IR 4.0 focuses on the smart technologies. The previous presenter already discussed all the things about these technologies, so I'm not going to brief about it. So artificial intelligence, robotics, all of which now impact on everyday lives. For the university to continue to produce successful graduates, they must prepare their students for a world. This means teaching students about this technology as a part of curriculum, changing the approach to learning altogether and utilizing this technology. What is the role of education 4.0 with industry 4.0? Learning can take place anywhere. As you see that we can utilize our time with it's anytime, anywhere concept with e-learning apps and pedagogies, and learning is customized for students. Project-based learning will become increasingly popular with the students, and now students will routinely experience internships, mentorships, and collaborative projects. Students will be accessed differently with conventional platforms to access learning outcomes becoming obsolete or irrelevant. Students will play a large role in framing syllabi and curriculum also. Students will become more independent with self-study, becoming popular, and teacher transforming into facilitators. So basically, features of education 4.0 says the preparing students for involving industries, a new approach to learning, adopting to new realities. With this, what DAV we stand during this paradigm in order to prepare future projects for work. DAV has aligned the teaching and process with technological and management advancement. Placement officers of various UPDs have to focus on following areas. Actually, we have a concept in university teaching departments. In each department, we having a placement officer concept, and this placement officers. Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can.
Okay.
You are
Okay.
audible, sir. I can see your screen,
Okay.
and you are definitely
Okay.
audible.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So in our university or every university have a concept called university teaching department, and each department having their own placement officer, and we have a centralized placement cell, and the centralized placement cell take care the placements of all the departments of UTD. So we focuses on particular areas. We arranging in-plant training for students. We prefer and adopt the education 4.0. We invite various organizations like our local organization and global organizations for the campus recruitment, training to suit various needs of industry. We give them a personality development, interpersonal and communication skills, career planning, and career mapping, program on technology and management, because we have both the students, we have a management students, we have a technological students, we have, it's all the branches, we have a technical students, managerial school, all the traditional courses we have. So we provide them a program on technological and management skills. Impact on education 4.0 during COVID-19 in the placement. Most of the university adopted the education 4.0 during COVID-19. The best example is that we have that Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology adopted the concept of education 4.0 in this pandemic situation. On 22 May 2020, 130 students of Panipat Institute got placed. And this is the best example where one institute adopted the education 4.0 and continue their placement process in virtual environment. So our DAV also adopted the education 4.0 and ensuring continuous education in place. The university, institutions, departments seamlessly transmit from an offline mode to a virtual delivery mechanism. This diagram clearly shows that that job that education 4.0 is filling the gap between the university and the job, and job seeker is adopting the education 4.0 easily get the job from the university online campuses. Envisioning 2030 with education 4.0, not only is the world facing a pandemic, but at the moment we are also in the midst of digitalizing every education sectors and the different aspects of our society. This means many parts of our lives that used to be separate will now converge. The pandemic is simply accelerating that process. Alumni, faculties, industries, and other stakeholders, whomsoever is take part in the university departments, all together have to work in for envision the future of education in 2030. Learner, students have to learn the digital curriculum rather than the static lessons plan or books that is based on real world problems that need to be solved. At the end, I like to say that since education 4.0 bring changes relevant to industry 4.0, and since it is in response to the global call for the action, the industry can expect better prepared workforce, student will have better employability and a better preparation for the student with a better written expectation. Thus, with education 4.0, the student, the industry, and the India will be able to reap the dividend better in times of IR 4.0. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. And I also would like to express my gratitude towards the organizing team of Steady Metros OIEF 2.0. Thanks to each and everyone, directly, indirectly, which involved in this particular organization. Thanks for giving me opportunity to express my thought regarding the topic education 4.0. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nitin sir, for the information and for sharing such an informative slides. Again, I have one or two questions. If you can please answer those for me.
Okay.
Like the same that I asked Raghuveer sir, do you think that students should invest at this point of COVID-19 situation? We are not sure about what is going to happen for this coming year, the entire year, what they should go, whether they should go for a higher studies or not. What is your thought on the same? Whether should a student go for a graduate degree or a master's degree in this year, or they should wait for a couple of years and then they should go for the same?
Okay, I think this pandemic is the best time of thinking what they have to be doing in their future perspective. So they can choose any of the course which is available in the market, and with any of the tools they can choose. And if they are thinking their graduation or their engineering degree is more than enough, then they need not to worry about their post graduation, because most of the university provides distance learning in that particular time, so they can do their post graduation afterward also. So my opinion is they have to utilize that particular time in this particular time they have to means complete some of the course. They have to choose some of the course which is means they can for the engineering department, for the IT field they can choose a course like big data, data science, and something else which is related with engineering IT department. So they can choose one of the course, and which is means give additional marks to their curriculum.
Okay. Sir, one more thing. What, according to you, should be the most basic or general initiative the institute should take in order to ensure that the students are placed for the futuristic demands?
I think the department or department or institute must have adopt the concept of education 4.0. Without it, you can't imagine. You can't train any of the students without education 4.0. You can't, if you are not using latest tools and technology, you can't means train any of the students. So you have to adopt education 4.0 first, and you have to invite various organizations for the expert lectures. So
Okay.
students get motivated with it, and all the other things that you have to be means focus on their personality development. But this is the this is the biggest part of the students. They are so much lacking in their personality development. We are doing lots of things. They are good in their communication. They are good in their languages. They know Java, they know Python, they know everything, but they are not good in their personality development. So they must have to focus on their personality development. They have to focus on their interpersonal communication skills. They have to means they have to attend the program which is related with the technological and managerial skills. So I think this institute must have to focus in the following topics. And the following education 4.0 must they have to means, incorporate it with